don't do that! Whoa. Be like, let's make funny faces. WTF. WTF. Oh my god, that face. Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye.
And that's how it was with the picture too. I don't know what the deal was with that. Hopefully you can go back to the picture.
Make sure you get like that.
Hold on, thanks, Zeb. Thanks a lot, Zeb. No, I'm not taking a picture. I'm recording.
Hi.
Oh, I can't zoom.
Gosh, not even fair. You're supposed to record me too.
Moo. We're gonna go on YouTube.
No, I'm a unicorn. He broke it. Charlie the unicorn.
How do I zoom? Dad, how do I zoom? Where are thou going? Let's go follow him. Shut up and just do it. You're mean.
I'm not.
They don't even know I'm videotaping. Michael, move. Don't, I'm making a video. You look like a girl. You look like a girl. Oh my god, he followed us! Wait, where'd Anthony go? Thank you, I'm videotaping. Nobody knows it.
It only goes 8 minutes. Wait, it's recording right now?
It goes as long as it runs out of video. Cool. Oh, I lost Anthony.
Cool, man. Let's go.
Well, let's go in the back and see if we can start videotaping.
Tell me what.
It was no, it was up front between
So stupid. A fight went on an hour after school. An hour after school, and guess what? They charged me. You got suspended.
What the hell? Bitch.
You know, if you get a fight on, like, if you get a fight on, like, spring break, and, like, if I get a fight with a girl on spring break, and she tells the teachers I get suspended, or I have to leave the school, they'll make me leave the school.
That's stupid.
That's fucking messed up. This girl, her dog, my dog killed her cat, and she goes, tells the teachers, and they're like, oh my gosh, and they gave me 3 referrals for it. Just because my dog killed her cat.
Oh, wow.
You know, look. How is dumb anyway? Like under the house. My dog got a... Someone needs to help me put this in there.
Hey, Rafa, I'm videotaping you, and guess what? You're going to be on YouTube.